What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video. The kind people over at UAG was kind enough to send me out the Plasma XT for my iPhone 16 Pro Max. This has 20 feet drop protection. So we're just gonna get this unboxed and see what it looks like on the device. And I will make sure I drop a link in the description to where you can pick this up for yourself. So pretty much this is like a black clear see-through back with your kickstand that also doubles as MagSafe. So we're gonna just throw my iPhone 16 Pro Max in like so. You just want to make sure whatever screen protector you have that it's not sitting at the edge, because right now my screen protector is messing up. So I'm gonna take this off for a minute. Gonna take this off and reinstall another one later. But this is what it looks like. It gives you a lot of protection, as you can see, and I really like that. It gives you a lot of protection. You get a lip, you get a lot of lip protection. You get feet, so if you drop it flat down on the edge, it's good to go. You get access to your power button. Woo, nice and clicky. I love that. You get access to your camera button, which is no kind of screen on there, but you can get in there real good, and I hardly use that, so I'm not worried about that. On the back here, you do get a nice cutout for your camera, so if you place your phone flat down on the table, you have nothing to worry about. Like I said, this is MagSafe capable, but it also doubles, has your kickstand, so you can watch videos and play watch movies and play games. Overall, this is a nice looking and feeling case. So now let me take you over to their website so you can see how much this case will run you if you wanted to get it for yourself. So here it is right here. It popped up immediately. So pretty much this case will currently run you $74.95 plus tax. So this is what it looks like. You can get it in the black with the clear back. You also get it in the ash titanium. It comes in the black orange, which that's the one they currently sent me over, as you can see. And then you also get it in the clear titanium. Woo, that clear titanium, that there's tough. That would have been nice if they could have sent me out that one for this iPhone 16 Pro Max. But overall, you get 4 different colors you can pick from. Like I said, I do like what UAG have to offer. Some people might complain and say, oh, their cases cost too much. Yes, that's true, but I'd rather pay more money for a case than and be guaranteed a lot of protection than pay cheap and not have a lot of protection. So your power button, your volume up and down button, nice and clicky, as you can see, no problem. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.